12. Amazing cucumber lemon water benefits. Cucumber lemon water is a healthy and delicious beverage that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is a great way to stay hydrated and provides several health benefits. If you're looking for a simple and delicious way to boost your health, cucumber lemon water could be the answer. Not only does it have amazing, refreshing taste, cucumber lemon water has numerous health benefits. With plenty of vitamin C and other essential vitamins and minerals, it can help with energy levels, focus and concentration, skin hydration, weight loss goals, or just simply have a healthy drink on hand when you need an energizing pick-me-up. Find out in this blog post what are some of the impressive 12 amazing cucumber lemon water benefits that make it such a popular drinks choice around the world. Benefits of cucumber lemon water. 1. Low in calories. Making cucumber lemon water is an incredibly easy way to create a flavorful, low-calorie drink with plenty of health benefits. Cucumbers are naturally hydrating and contain important vitamins and minerals like potassium, vitamin K, and magnesium. Lemons are loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, along with calcium and iron. Drinking cucumber lemon water can help regulate digestion, boost your immune system, stimulate weight loss, reduce inflammation and bloating in the body, as well as improve circulation. Plus, it only lasts about 10 minutes to make cucumber lemon water. Simply add cucumber slices to a glass of freshly squeezed lemon juice. 2. Cucumbers are good for digestion. Cucumbers are a powerful trio when it comes to supporting digestion. For example, cucumber juice can be a supportive addition to any beverage routine because its high water content helps hydrate the body, while cucumber's silica content aids in removing toxins and its potassium levels contribute to healthy electrolyte balance. Having cucumber lemon water is an easy way of introducing cucumbers into your diet for a refreshing and nutritional drink. This nutritious cocktail not only tastes delicious, but provides cucumbers digestion-boosting benefits, such as detoxifying the body from toxic substances and reducing water retention or bloating resulting from poor digestion. So next time you're looking for an afternoon drink, reach for cucumber lemon water for some simple nourishment that can help support digestive health. 3. Full of nutrients and antioxidants. Cucumber lemon water offers an array of health benefits, especially when it comes to nutrition. Research suggests cucumbers are high in beneficial vitamins and minerals, along with having antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The addition of lemon adds a boost of vitamin C and other essential elements that can help your body stay healthy. Preparing cucumber lemon water is incredibly easy, requiring only cucumbers, lemons, and filtered water. View more. 10 saltwater gargle benefits. Garare benefits. Cutting cucumbers into thin slices helps to increase the flavor of cucumber lemon water, but also infuses more vital minerals and nutrients that are easily absorbed by the body. All these benefits make cucumber lemon water an ideal choice for hydrating your body without all the added sugar from traditional drinks like soft drinks, energy drinks, or juice. 4. Get rid of belly fat. If you're looking to reduce belly fat, cucumber lemon water is worth considering. This easy-to-make drink offers numerous benefits as one of its key components. Cucumber is a great source of vitamins and minerals that can help shed off extra pounds. The other component, lemon, helps flush out toxins in your body while boosting overall metabolism. Furthermore, cucumber lemon water may have additional positive effects on physical performance due to the electrolyte content of cucumber and its naturally refreshing taste. Try incorporating cucumber lemon water into your daily routine and experience the beneficial changes in no time. 5. Promotes detoxification. Detoxing your body is an important step for overall health, and cucumber lemon water offers a simple and effective way to promote this process. Everyday impurities can build up in the system, negatively impacting physical, mental, and emotional well-being. To combat these toxins, cucumber lemon water not only cleanses the body, but increases hydration levels as well. The cucumber provides vital vitamins and minerals, while the lemon helps to flush impurities from the digestive tract, as well as act as an energizing agent. Furthermore, cucumber lemon water is easy to make. Just cut fresh cucumbers into thin slices and add them with some freshly squeezed lemon juice to a canteen of cold water overnight. Enjoy reaping the cucumber lemon water benefits right away. 6. Great for hydration. Being properly hydrated is incredibly important for health and well-being, and cucumber lemon water is an ideal way to stay hydrated. The little cucumber slices lend the water a subtle flavor, and the nutritional benefits of cucumbers are undisputed. They are rich in vitamins A, B, and C, as well as containing minerals such as magnesium and potassium. Meanwhile, the vitamin C from lemons helps boost the immune system, fight inflammation, and hydrate cells. Making cucumber lemon water is surprisingly easy. All you need are cucumbers, preferably organic, lemons, and filtered water. Simply slice both the cucumber and lemons into thin discs. Add it to your pitcher of cold water and let it sit in the fridge overnight. No further sweetening required. Enjoying cucumber lemon water regularly offers countless cucumber lemon water benefits, making hydration easy and tasty. 7. Good for your skin. Incorporating cucumber lemon water into your daily routine can provide a lot of skin benefits. This mixture is easy to make. Just mix cucumber slices and lemon wedges with purified water, and you have yourself an instant skin refresher. The cucumber's minerals hydrate the skin from within and help reduce dark circles, puffiness under the eyes. The citric acid in the lemon has been known to brighten the complexion, even out skin tone, and improve elasticity. Not only that, but cucumber lemon water also provides other nutritious benefits such as antioxidants, vitamin C, and electrolytes, all which naturally aid in protecting the skin from environmental elements while giving it an instant glow-up. 8. Good for your muscles. Cucumber lemon water is becoming increasingly popular for its health benefits. It's relatively simple to make and can be great for your muscles. This cucumber lemon water has a variety of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which offer multiple nutritional benefits, including improved blood circulation and hydration. Drinking cucumber lemon water helps reduce muscle fatigue and regulate electrolyte levels within the body. Not only that, but cucumber lemons are low in calories and have a pleasant taste, making cucumber lemon water easy to incorporate into any healthy eating plan. By adding cucumbers and lemons to your daily routine, you can give your body the much-needed boost it needs to help with muscle energy and strength growth. 9. Natural detox drink. Natural detox drinks are a great way to support your body and help maintain optimum health. Cucumber lemon water is one such drink that is easy to make and packed with nutrients. It has multiple cucumber lemon water benefits, from helping to flush out toxins from the body to boosting energy and replenishing vital electrolytes after a workout. Plus, the cucumber provides additional hydration and nutrition that helps boost the detoxification process. Making cucumber lemon water is simple. All you need are cucumber slices, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and plenty of clean, filtered water. It's a delicious way to support your health while adding some flavor and variety to your regular water intake routine. 10. Lowers high blood pressure. Cucumber lemon water has many beneficial effects on the body, chief among them being its ability to lower high blood pressure. Studies have shown that cucumber lemon water is an effective and easy way to regulate hypertension. Its natural components not only assist our bodies in regulating their blood pressure, but can also help with overall heart health. The cucumbers provide essential electrolytes while being low in sodium, while the lemons aid our body's digestion and provide numerous vitamins and minerals. This makes cucumber lemon water an excellent choice for anyone looking to incorporate a healthy beverage into their daily routine. Making cucumber lemon water is quite simple. Just combine cucumbers, lemons, and filtered or spring water into a pitcher or bottle, and you've got yourself a refreshing drink for any time of day. 11. Development of healthy bones. Taking care of our bones is essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. To ensure healthy bone development, it is important to consume calcium-rich food and beverages and exercise regularly. A great way to get an extra boost of minerals is to drink cucumber lemon water. This refreshing beverage offers a variety of health benefits that can help your bone health in the long run, from providing essential minerals to facilitating body hydration. The cucumber water recipe is also very easy to make. All you need are cucumber slices and some lemon juice or peel added to cold or hot drinking water. It's simple yet effective support for your overall bone health. 12. How to make lemon cucumber water. Lemon cucumber water is an incredibly refreshing and beneficial beverage. Not only does it taste great, but cucumber lemon water has many health benefits, such as boosting your metabolism, helping to regulate blood sugar levels, increasing and filtered or purified water. Improve their bone health. The high vitamin C content found within lemons means cucumber. Lemon water helps with digestion, boosts the clair.